channel. It is Maniya Alise here, and I am back with another video, honey. What is up, y'all? Happy Mother's Day. I'm filming this on Mother's Day. Hopefully I can get it out today. To all the mothers out there, thank you for all you do. Special shout out to my mommy, Mama Jack. You are my love. You are my lights. You are my twin. I love you, and thank you so much for being the best mom anybody could ever ask for. You are a true angel. So again, happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers out there. So y'all, today I'm going to be talking to y'all about what I realized after I went pescatarian. It started like 2018 August. If y'all want a backstory on why and how I went pescatarian and all that kind of stuff, y'all let me know. I don't mind sharing with you. But this video is going to be about what I noticed after all of that. So I'm about to say vegan. I wasn't vegan. I was vegetarian. I'm going to be completely honest with y'all. You're new to my channel. I am real, raw, uncut. I put out nothing but the truth. That's it. That's all. Okay. So I'm gonna let y'all know I wasn't vegan. I had stopped eating ground meat. That's what I call it. Anything that grows on the ground, that feeds off of grass, I stopped eating it. And I didn't immediately go to seafood. I just went straight to veggies first. So when I switched over, I did salads for a good 3 months before I touched any type of meat, any meat. I did that, and as I was, on my journey, I got a little hungry. I'm used to growing up feeling full, and healthy eating is not about feeling that full. It's just about feeling like you have enough to carry on to do what you need to do. Growing up, they don't stress that part, and that's what I was missing, that full feeling. So I was like, I need something else, you know what I'm saying? Because I wasn't gonna starve myself, and I'm just gonna suggest to y'all, if y'all are looking to do a lifestyle change with your eating, don't starve yourself. Don't pressure yourself into thinking I've made a commitment to veganism, to vegetarianism, so it's gonna be clean cut, cold turkey. For some people it is that easy, and for some people it's not. And if you get hungry, girl, because it happens, show up for yourself in that moment. Do what you need to do. You already know, you know what I'm saying, you want to do something healthy, so I would hope that you don't go off the deep end. But fulfill yourself with what you need in that moment, even if it's not on paper, even if it's not what you think is clean cut or what a vegetarian should be doing. No, you pace yourself. I got hungry, so I figured I would start incorporating seafood into my diet. I did not want to go back to start eating ground meat because honestly, after the 3 months, I didn't have a desire to. I was feeling so good, y'all. The only thing that I truly missed was the taste. And that kind of went and came. Another thing I realized was I lost a lot of weight. So I'm gonna break it down the best way I can. Meat causes mucus in the body. So what we think is fat in our stomach, sometimes it is, but most times it's fucking mucus, okay? So of course my diet changed, and I had a drastic change. Like, as y'all can see, it was drastic. It took me some time to get there. I'm gonna say like 8 months. After that, it was just going. So that happened. And eventually, with me losing so much weight, depression happened. And I'm, like I said, I don't have nothing to be ashamed about, nothing to hide. I'm straight up raw because it is what it is. So depression came, anxiety came, and I was of my body, of what I was looking at when I woke up. I was not fucking happy. I was feeling very light. I felt like I was in another body, and I didn't like it. Like, people have those dreams of, like, I can say even me, I used to have dreams like, oh, I want to be skinny or da-da-da-da. And when it actually happened, girl, it was one of the worst times of my life. I was so unhappy. My clothes weren't fitting. I didn't feel confident. So that happened. One more thing happened. I realized, because I did not stay on a pescatarian diet, I want to say about 10 months. 10 months, I was just like, okay, I've kind of had enough of this. And I'm tired of looking the way I look. So I'm just about to do or eat what makes me happy. I was just like, I was comfort eating. And I started back eating, you know, my wings, my Chick-fil-A, stuff like that. I never really been a big beef or pork eater, but it's like when I wanted it, I would have it. But I never picked back up beef, but I did start eating pork. I started back eating bacon. And just comfort eating. Now, as that happened, I also became very sick. That's one thing. If you're looking to go pescatarian and you're doing it for a while, be mindful that if you ever want to retreat, your body will, because it's a transition, your body will let you know, like, girl, this ain't what we was doing, and now you want this to be what we was doing, and I don't know if I'm trying to do this again. Because your body knows what's good for it, and it knows when you're not treating it right, and it's gonna let you know. It's gonna knock on your fucking door like, what's good? I was sick. It was tasting different. It was making my stomach hurt. It was just doing some things that it wasn't doing before, which eventually made me go back to being pescatarian again, because I'm just like, I'm not about to torture my body. I'm not about to do that. So those are some things that I realized, and as I'm doing this video, all these things are like coming out on the negative side, but it's really not to be a negative video. I'm not shaming pescatarianism or nothing like that. These are just some things to be cautious of, and I'm just sharing my experiences because maybe y'all can relate. Maybe y'all are looking to go pescatarian, and I'm just letting you know what I went through, so just so you can factor that into your thought process. So beware of those things. I'm not here to scare you, just here to tap you on the shoulder, sis. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. I wanted to make this video because I was looking back at my pictures and I seen like the progress I made with losing weight, gaining weight, just my journey. And I was like, let me just talk about this, because it really was something that I was introduced to and that I really wanted to see what it was about for me, and I did, and I don't regret it at all. I really don't.
Okay, what's up, y'all? Excuse my appearance, but I'm sitting over here editing this video, and I also wanted to add in another reason I made this video was because, excuse the train if y'all hear it, but another reason I made this video was because every time that I would go to watch people or to just inform myself about healthy lifestyle changes and diet changes, in particular, it will always be stressing the importance, not the importance, but stressing the great effects of it and not the things that's not so pretty that can happen. It's a different journey and it's a different reality for everybody once you decide to make that commitment. And that's what I wanted to touch on, that it's not going to be the same journey as somebody you're following or the same journey as somebody in your household. Everybody is different. Everybody's transition is different. And I just wanted to let y'all know that if y'all are, you know, going through some of the things I went through, or even something different that I didn't mention, it is okay. It is okay. Do not give up on it. If it's something that you truly want in your heart, just take a breath, take a break, and realize what works for you. But if it's truly something that you feel in your heart, don't give up on it. Even if you're the only person in your family, that's my situation. I'm the only person in my family that believes in my diet, and that's okay. Like, it's okay, girl. Keep going. Find your way and find your path. Okay, I'm done rambling. Y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Love y'all. Bye.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love y'all so much, and thank you so much for the support. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram at Maniya Alise and at Maniya Alise Beauty, and on TikTok at Maniya Alise, so you can keep up with your girl. I want to keep in contact with y'all. I want to know what y'all thinking. Peace and blessings to all you beautifuls. Something good is going to happen to you this week. Even if it's the smallest bit of good, it's going to happen. I'm putting it on you, girl, so catch it. But, period. I'm speaking that for me and y'all. Something good is going to happen for us this week. Period. And y'all can come back to this video and let me know what good happened. It could be the smallest thing or the biggest thing, because we're grateful over here, okay? I love y'all. Be safe, be blessed, and stay up and stay beautiful. Mwah.